Unlike certain states in the US, the UK has no laws specifically criminalising satanic ritual abuse, SRA. The UK police are not trained to recognise SRA. When cases of SRA surface, the Crown Prosecution Service may be willing to prosecute for sexual and physical child abuse, but they often omit the ritual elements of the crime on the grounds that the jury will find them unbelievable. Therefore, we have a vicious circle. Juries don't accept the existence of SRA because they rarely hear about it. They rarely hear about it because the evidence is not put before jurors for fear they won't believe it. Criminals go unpunished because their crimes are not recognised. As Andrew Boyd says in Blasphemous Rumours, although sexual and physical child abuse is a crime, forcing a child to witness the mutilation of a pet and terrifying it to the extent that its personality might fragment may not itself be a criminal offence. The UK could learn from legislation passed in Idaho in 1990. The intent of this legislation, Section 18-1506A, is to provide a felony offence for specified abuse of a child as part of a ritual. The legislation states, a person is guilty of a felony when he commits any of the following acts with, upon, or in the presence of a child as part of a ceremony, rite, or any similar observance. A. Actually, or in simulation, tortures, mutilates, or sacrifices any warm-blooded animal or human being. B. Forces ingestion, injection, or other application of any narcotic, drug, hallucinogen, or anesthetic for the purpose of dulling sensitivity, cognition, recollection of, or resistance to any criminal activity. C. Forces ingestion or external application of human or animal urine, feces, flesh, blood, bones, body secretions, non-prescribed drugs or chemical compounds. D. Involves the child in a mock, unauthorized or unlawful marriage ceremony with another person or representation of any force or deity, followed by sexual contact with the child. E. Places a living child into a coffin or open grave containing a human corpse or remains. F. Threatens death or serious harm to a child, his parents, family, pets or friends, which instills a well-founded fear in the child that the threat will be carried out. Or G. Unlawfully dissects, mutilates, or incinerates a human corpse. If the UK adopted similar legislation, police would know what to look for, and the Crown Prosecution Service would be empowered to act against SRA. Without it, prosecutions will continue to flounder. As Andrew Boyd states, if we do not know what we are looking at, we may fail to recognise it when we see it. That is the current situation in the UK, and it needs to change.